हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू द स्मार्ट स्टडी। आज हम कंप्यूटर का कुछ कंप्यूटर फैक्ट्स पढ़ेंगे। जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है, सिद्धार्थ वाज द फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर डेवलप्ड इन इंडिया। चार्ल्स बेबेज इज कॉल्ड द फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर। क्रीपर was the first computer virus. Brain was the first personal computer boot sector virus. Virus stand for Vital Information Resource Under Siege. OLE stand for Object Linking Embedding. Mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart. Alan Turing is known as the father of modern computer. EDVAC was the first electronic computer. ENIAC was the first successful electronic computer. The first mouse was made from wood. The first microprocessor created by Intel was the 4004. The father of computer science is Alan Turing. My doom was the world's fast spread virus. Thank you.